Ooh. the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore.